Hello everyone, welcome to another ProtonMail tutorial. Today I will show you how to permanently delete emails in ProtonMail. So this is very simple, guys, and as you can see I have two emails right here from Proton themselves. So what I can do is I can click on one email right here, and if I go here I can delete this email. I can also put this email to archive if I don't want to delete it permanently, but since you want to delete this permanently, you can go and move it to trash. Now, after you move it to trash, as you can see, you can undo, or you can go to trash right here. And from trash, what you can do is you can click on, again, that email. And as you can see, upgrade to automatically deleted message that have been in trash and spent for more than 30 days. So you have two different options. You can delete it right here by going to delete, or what you can do is you can basically go and upgrade to automatically delete messages that have been in trash and spent for more than 30 days. So if your message have been more than 30 days in spam or trash, then they will be deleted. So that's basically how easy it is, right? You can obviously go here and delete this message again, and this will completely delete the message. So now this message has been permanently deleted and you will not be able to access it anymore anywhere on ProtonMail. So hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want more ProtonMail tutorials, check out our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.